friends, welcome to Python for Data Science full course. In the last session, I explained about in the data structure, list and tuple. In the today's session, I am going to explain about dictionary and set. Today, I am going to explain about dictionary and set. Today's agenda, dictionary, introduction to dictionary, create a dictionary, accessing elements, add or modify elements in a dictionary, delete or remove elements in a dictionary, dictionary methods. Set agenda, introduction to set, create a set, adding elements in a set, removing elements from a set, Python set operations, frozen set. Let me check in the Jupyter notebook. First is dictionary. Python dictionary is an unordered collection of items. There is a unordered collection of data will be there in dictionary. See, while other compound data types have only value as an element compared to other data types. Okay, in other data types only elements will be there. In a dictionary, as a key and value pairs will be there. Let me check how to create a dictionary. Create an empty dictionary first. First we'll create one empty dictionary. See, this is my dictionary. Always dictionary will close in the curly braces or flower bracket. Let me see if I run this, it will show this is set, empty set. My integer key dictionary. Creating integer key dictionary. Okay. See here, integer key means in the key value key place. This is key place, this is value place. Okay. In the key place, integers will be there. So that's what we are calling integer key dictionary. So let me run this. We'll get like this. Here integer key, this is string value. Let me check another example. Create a dictionary with a mixed case. Here also I taken string. Here also key also string, value also string. Here integer, here one list. Okay, this is one list. So let me check. Yes, this is also one of the dictionary. Next, come to the next. Dict function. Dict open parenthesis. Create an empty dictionary using dict function. See my dictionary, dict of, I given here round bracket. Let me check. So this is a dict function is correct. Why? Because here it is showing dictionary function. Okay. Next, create a dict with list of tuple. See here, my dictionary equal to dict of, inside I taken 2 tuples. Okay. Let me check whether this list, this tuple will convert into dictionary. Yes, it's converted. So 4 is a value, 4 is key, here ABCD is a value, here 2 is key, AB is a value. Let me see accessing elements. How to access an elements in the dictionary. This is my dictionary. This is my dictionary, name Suchit, marks 92, hobby guitar. I'll call this print of my dictionary name. Pass the key to get the value. See, I mentioned here I called only key value. Okay. Let me check. I need, here I called only key value, key. Okay. I need output value. Let me check. Yes, we got it. Print of my dictionary of score. Here score is not there. Let me check what error it will show. Yeah, given key error, if key not found. This key is not there in my dictionary. Next, alternately use get of key to access the value. Okay, one more method also we can use accessing values. Okay, print of my dictionary dot get function of I need hobby keys value. Okay, yes, guitar. Here hobby is guitar. Let me check score. Score is not there in my function, but let me check what will show. Yeah, if here print of my dictionary dot get. See, if I mention here dot get means it is showing none. It gives none using get method if key not present. Here not there in my dictionary score function. Here also I called score, but here it is showing error. Key is not found. But here I got result none. None means also not there. Okay. See, this I already told you. Similarly this. Okay. Add or modify elements in a dictionary. How to modify elements in a dictionary? Here I taken D is equal to empty dictionary. I need 0 key welcome value. Update the value in the key 0. See, this is the key value. This is the value. Key function. This is value. Let me check. Yes. If I run this, 0 is a key. Welcome is a value. See, next D of 1. See, indexing 1 I need. How are you function? Let me check. See, what I given in the first, it is showing 0 colon welcome. Next, I given here 1 colon how are you. See, like this we can create a dictionary. Next, D of name Sham. Add new key value pair. I want to add. Here I got 2 functions are there. I want to add one more elements. Okay. Another third element also I want to add. Let me check. Add new key value pair. Here 0 welcome. It's added name Sham. See, instead of this, it's added name. Name is a key. Sham is a value. Okay. Let me see another example. D of name equal to first colon Sham last screw. Okay. See, inside one key, this all function, this all values. Okay. First Sham, last screw. Here two elements are there. Okay. I want to add 2 elements. Okay. Inside the dictionary, I added one more dictionary here. Okay. Like this, add or modify elements in a dictionary. Delete or remove elements in a dictionary. How to delete, remove elements in a dictionary? See, same as name Suchit, marks 92, hobby guitar. This is my dictionary. Print of my dictionary dot pip marks. Remove a particular item, pass the key to pop function. Okay. Print of my dictionary. Let me check that marks function, marks element will be not there. So marks value is 92. It is showing. See, this element is not showing in the dictionary. Only these two elements are showing. Key value dictionary. Here, this is my dictionary. Delete particular key. I want to delete hobby. Hobby key I want to delete. So del key value dictionary of hobby. Okay, print of key value dictionary. Let me check. Yeah, this element is deleted. Next, key value dictionary dot clear. I want to remove all the items. Okay, key value dictionary dot clear open parenthesis. Let me check. Yes, all the elements deleted. Key value dictionary. This is my dictionary. Del key value dictionary. Del key value dictionary. Print key value dictionary. Okay. See here, delete dictionary itself. I want to delete full of dictionary itself. I don't want even this bracket also. Let me check. Yes, it's deleted. That's what it is showing error. Name key value dictionary is not defined. It's fully deleted. Next, dictionary methods. Key value dictionary is equal to same example I taken. My dictionary is equal to key value dictionary dot copy open parenthesis print of key value dictionary. Next, print of my dictionary. Let me check. Here I copied this same function. What I am copying? Same key value dictionary I am copying here. Okay. Let me check. Yeah, both are same. Okay. Next, from keys, sequence of value, return a new dictionary with keys from sequence and value equal to value of defaults to none. Let me check. Fruits is equal to, I taken here empty dictionary. Okay, here I taken one empty dictionary dot from keys. This is from keys. This is my sequence. What is my sequence? Apple, banana, grapes. These are fruits. Okay, these values are 0. Okay, here this value is 0. Let me call this print of fruits. Okay. See here it is showing apple key is showing value 0. Banana key it is showing 0. Grapes key it is showing 0. Variable dictionary is equal to 2:4, 3:9, 4:16, 5:25. See this is my dictionary. Print of variable dictionary dot items. Return a new view of the dictionary item key comma value. Okay, let me check. Yeah, dict of items. Here 2:4, 3:9, 4:16, 2:25. So it's written a new view of the dictionary item key comma value. See, actually this form is key colon. This is the format, dictionary format. Here it returns the dictionary. Here separated dictionary underscore items of 2:4, 3:9, 4:16, 5:25. Let me see another example. Return the dictionary key. Fruits is equal to apple, banana, grapes, same as I taken. Print of fruits dot keys. Okay. Next, print of fruits dot values. Let me check. Dict of keys. I need only keys. So apple, banana, grapes, it is showing only keys. I need only values. See, like this we can separate keys and values. Okay, from the dictionary, get list of all available methods and attributes of dictionary. This is my dictionary. Print of dir of dictionary. Get list of all available methods and attributes of dictionary. See, these all are dictionary functions, dictionary keys. Okay, this is the list of all available methods and attributes of dictionary. These are attributes of dictionary. Okay, see, in this I explained what are the important topics are there that I explained. You can try this all methods. Okay, next is comprehension dictionary. Comprehension in dictionary. See, same as dictionary I taken, fruits is equal to apple 2, banana 12, grapes 10. For fruits in fruits, okay, for fruits in fruits items, open the round bracket, same as list comprehension, but here it's for dictionaries. Let me call this function. See, like this also we can get, okay, for fruits in fruits dot items. Okay, next print of fruits. So apple 2, banana 12, grapes 10. Let me see one more example. Fruits, same example I taken. Fruits dictionary, K colon V for K comma V in fruits. Okay, K colon V for K comma key and value in fruits. Fruits dot items. If value is mode of 2 equal to 0. Creating a new dictionary with only pairs where the value is even. Print of fruits dictionary. Let me check. See, banana is 12, grapes is 10. Okay, apple is not showing. Why? Because here our condition is we need only even numbers. Okay, we need only value is divided by 2, that is equal to 0. Okay, that means all even numbers. See, banana is 12, this is even number, grapes is 10, this is also even number. Okay, next same example I taken. Fruits is equal to next fruits dictionary equal to K plus underscore royal. Okay, K plus underscore royal V value into 12 for K. Value into 12 for K. K plus royal colon V into 12 for K. V in fruits dot items. If V module 2 is equal to 0. Print of fruits dictionary, print of fruits. Let me check. See, in the first banana underscore royal 1 royal 1 colon 144. Okay. Next, grapes underscore royal. This is 120. Next, apple 3, banana 12, grapes 10. So here dictionary is finished. Let me see in the set. First, initialization of a set with set of method. my set is equal to set of open basis, open bracket, print of type my set. Which type of my set? Let me check. Yes, this is the set format, that is correct only. My set is equal to set of parenthesis, print of type of myself. Okay, here we got what we are given, that is a set. Next is creating a set. How to create a set? My set is equal to, I take an example 1, 2, 3. If I call this curly braces and comma separated values. Okay, in set curly braces and comma separated values. See here 1, 2, 3, only 3 values are there. Here also same 1, 2, 3. Like this we can create set. Print of type of my set. Let me check. Yes, this is also set. Okay, my set is equal to 1, 2, 3, 1, 4. Print of my set. Duplicates are not allowed in the set. Here I given 1, 1, 2 times. Let me check. So it is not repeated here. Okay, one time only it is showing 1, 2, 3, 4. So what we know from this example, duplicates are not allowed in the set. My set is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Print of my set is equal to, print of my set is equal to, print of my set is equal to, here my set is equal to set of, inside I taken list. Okay, inside I taken list. So again I'll call this function. I got here in the set formation, set of list I taken, but here it is showing set. Okay, here 1, 1 repeated, but here not repeated. In the list we can repeat elements, but in set we cannot repeat the elements. Adding elements in a set. How to add elements in a set? First I'll add single element in a set. My set dot add 5. Let me check. After that my set dot update 2, r, 12. Add multiple elements using update methods. Here dot add function is used only adding single element of set. Okay, here if we need to add multiple elements in a set, that time we are using dot update. Okay, here it's added only 5. Here it is added 2, 2 or 12. Okay, 2 or 12. Again it is showing in the order also. 2, this is not in the, see 2, 5, 8, 12 or 56. Here small numbers to greater number. Okay, let me check. Print of my set of 3. Set object does not support duplicate, hence indexing does not make sense. So set object is not subscriptable. See, duplicate elements it will not accept. So my set dot update 12, 1, 4, 1, 5. Adding a list and a set to the original set. Let me check. Yes, this is my set 1, 2, 4, 5. See 1, it is there in my set already 2. This is our set, okay? So here 1 is there, here 2, 4, 5. Here 4 is there, okay? Here 5 is there. Again here 1 is there, A 12 or 56. Okay, removing elements from a set. How to remove elements from set? This is my set 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Print of my set. My set dash remove of 13. I want to remove 13 element in a set. Okay. Next, 14 is there. I want to discard. 14 is removed from set, my set. Okay. Next, remove 34. I want to remove 34. So this will get error because 34 element is not there. Let me check discard 34. This also not there. Let me run this program. Yes, I got first print of my set. See what we are given input, that we got first output. Next is dot remove 13. In the next step 13 is not there. In the last third step 14 is not there. Like this we can remove elements from a set. Next, my set is equal to, okay, my set dot pop removes a random elements. Okay, let me see. Here E, F, G, A, B, C, 11, 12 is there. See, 1 is removed. Okay, next my set dot pop print of my set. See, which is my set? Here it is there. A, B, C, 11, 12. Okay, A, B, C, 11, 12. See, E, F, G, 1 is not there. Okay, like this, we can add and remove elements from a set. This is one more example. This is my set. My set dot clear. Empty all items in the set. Let me check. In a set, okay, all the elements are removed. Okay, next, Python set operations. How to operate in the set. Unordered collection of unique object in the set. Here, what are the operations we are using in a set? This topic is very important in the Python programming. Union, intersection, symmetric difference, subset. So I taken two sets. That is my set 1, my set 2. Okay, print of my set 1 divided by my set 2. Here print of my set 1 dot union of my set 2. Okay, here union of two sets using hash symbol. Okay, alternately use union method. Let me say. Yeah, union means it will count both the sets. Okay, it will add together in one set. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it will not repeated here. Okay, next is print of my set 1 dot union of my set 2. See, here also we got similar answer. Next, print of my set 1 and my set 2. Intersection of two sets using AND operator. See, print of my set dot intersection of my set 2. Alternately use intersection method. Let me run this. Yes, in the both the sets, intersection means here also 3 is there, here also 4 is there, here also 5 is there. So in the both the sets, which are the elements are there, that elements are called intersect of elements. Okay, these three elements are intersecting in this both the sets. Next, difference. See, my set 1 minus my set 2. Let me call print of set 1 dot difference of my set 2. So 1 comma 2. See, in set 1, set 2. Okay, compare these two. Here 1 comma 2 is not there in the set 2. So remaining is 1 comma 2. This all cancelled. Okay. Let me see symmetric difference. Set of elements in both my set 1 and my set 2, except those that are common in both. Print of my set 1 symmetry. See, this is the symmetric symbol. My set 2. For symmetric difference, use this operator, symmetry operator. Print of my set 1 dot symmetric underscore difference of my set 2. Alternately use symmetric difference function. Okay, let me run this. Yes, 1, 2, 6, 7, I got it. 1, 2, 6, 7. So 3, 4, 5 is not there. Okay, 1, 2, 6, 7 only it is there. Next, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6. B is equal to 2, 4. Print of is set a subset of set B. Okay, let me check. Is set A subset of set B? A issue B subset of B. Check A is a subset of B. Check B is a subset of A. Let me check. Yeah. Is set A subset of B? This is false. A is subset of B. This is false. B is a subset of A. This is true. Why? Because in the B set, all the elements are there in the A set. But in the A set, all the elements are not there in the B set. Only 2 elements are there. So that Python is showing, if I lost like this, is set a subset of set B. So here I am getting answer true or false. This is false. If I'll give is set B a subset of A, yeah, this is true. Next, come to the frozen sets. Frozen sets like tuples are immutable lists. Frozen sets are immutable sets. Frozen sets can be created using frozen set. Sets being mutable or unhashable, so they cannot be used as dictionary keys. On the other hand, frozen sets are hashable and can be used as keys to a dictionary. This data type supports methods like copy, difference, intersection, indisjoint, issue set, is superset, symmetric difference, and union. These all are there in the frozen set. Being immutable, it does not have method that add or remove elements. Let me see. I take into frozen sets. Okay. This is my set 1, my set 2. This is frozen set. This is also frozen set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if I'll call this my set 1 dot add 9. Okay, let me check. It is showing error. cannot add value to immutable set. Okay, this is immutable set, so we cannot add elements in a set. So print of my set 1 as my set 2, union of two sets. Yes, we got it. Frozen set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See, what are the elements are there? We got here output. Let me see print of my set and my set. Print of my set dot intersection of my set 2. So print of my set here intersection of two sets. Here alternative is to use intersection of method. Let me check. Yes, here 4, 5. In the frozen set 4, 5. Okay, here these two common elements 4, 5. Next, print of my set 1 symmetry my set 2. Let me check print of my set 1 dot symmetry underscore difference of my set 2. So frozen set we got it 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. So both are same. Okay. Symmetric difference. Alternative is symmetric underscore difference of method. See, like this we can create and we can change the elements. We can remove the elements in the dictionary and set. So today we learned about dictionary and set. These topics are very, very important in Python programming. Okay. I hope all of you understood about dictionary and a set. If you have any doubts, you mention in the comment box. Okay. Otherwise, you can call me. I given my contact number also. Kindly please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay. Thank you.